Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. And welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am. And you can see the workbook. Till here, I had taught the last day, and I had given you all the question to discuss the answers. So I will go to the next part of this exercise. This is practice grammar. From here your grammar is started. So see, there also they were noun, and I hope you have remembered this all. This was the to fill the adjective. This was to choose the proper word, right? And this was also to replace the words with suitable nouns, right? So these are another grammar. You can see here, ask who or what of the verbs underlined. There some words are underlined in each and every sentence, as you can see. Write the questions and the subjects. So what you have to do, what is told here, ask who or what of the verbs underlined. The verbs underlined in each and every sentence, you have to make the question. You have to give a word who or what just against this verb. Okay, you have to ask the question, and you and there write the questions and the subject. Here you have to write the subject, in which subject you will give, and then you have to make the question. Okay, if you will ask any question to this verb, you will get a subject. Suppose first one, see, I have done by pencil. I hope it is not visible. See, the first sentence you can see here, Tom forced Peter's mouth open, right? Tom forced Peter's mouth open, full stop, right? Now the underlined word means verb is forced. Now see, Tom forced Peter's mouth open. There are two words only, two subjects, who and what. Who, you know where you will put who, and where you will put what, you know very well. When I discuss about the sentence and how do you make the interrogative sentence, on that moment I have already discussed this. So I hope you remember, you can do it. First one I am helping you. See, Tom forced Peter's mouth open. So what you have to do, you have to do one thing. You will ask a question to the verb. Tom forced Peter's mouth open. Who forced? Suppose you are asking a question to force this word by who, you will get an answer, Tom. Who forced Peter's mouth open? Tom. Tom forced Peter's mouth open, right? So write down the subject here. Which subject you want to do? These are the subjects, na? Who is the subject? What is the subject? Because you are questioning to this verb, and you are getting an answer. And which is that answer? Who. That means who is the subject here. Okay. So first you will write the subject, who. Then you will write make the question. Just you have to replace this word by who in the place of Tom, right? Who forced Peter's mouth open? You have to give a question mark. Okay, you have to give a question mark, otherwise it will be wrong. Sure? So Tom forced Peter's mouth open. And if you want to make by what, so what makes Peter's mouth open? Do you get an answer? or if you think, ma'am, by what we can make it in another way, so you can do. I think, but it is my own thinking, that I think I can ask this word a question. So I will get a subject, Tom, and I will get a name, who forced Peter's mouth open. If you think that you can make it by what, by this subject, by this word, what, try it. If you can do, and definitely you can show me. Okay, you will show me. And this is one just example I am giving. So similarly, next you can see, then he poured cough syrup down Peter's throat. Right. So if you will make a question to this word, then he poured cough syrup down Peter's throat. If you will question by who poured cough syrup down Peter's throat, you will get answer he. Now you can say, ma'am, we can make it by what also. Then how you will make it? How you will? Because when you are questioning by what did he pour? Question mark. What did he pour down Peter's throat? You can make it by what also, whatever I can see. So then what you have to do? See, if you will start by what, so how you have to make what? After that, if you have to give a verb and auxiliary verb, okay, or helping verb. So what kind of verb you will give? Poured. This is the past tense. So you have to make the question in past tense, right? So how you will do? You will put here did. You will put here did. What did he? Subject you have to put. Then it is past tense pour. For this reason you have given here did. So now this time you can't give the past form of this word. You have to give the present tense, present form of this main verb. This is the main verb, right? So you have to give pour. What did he pour down Peter's throat? If I will write this, question mark, you have to put a question mark. Then you can see, if I will give this kind of line, what did he pour down Peter's throat, you will get an answer. Cough syrup. He poured cough syrup. So what did, then he pour, you can give here, pour here, what did he pour then? Pour down Peter's throat, then you can give here also this word. Okay. So that is why I told you, it is your own opinion. You will make it by who or you will make it by what. But not only opinion, you have to think about the sentence and you have to get an answer. If you will give what, there is subject what, right? So there are two things there. Here you have to write the subject and there you have to write the sentence. Okay. So this two I have told you, I have discussed you, I just help you. Now this is your homework. You will have to do by yourself. The effect was instant and electric. You can understand the effect was instant. If you will ask was, so that means you have to ask the question to this word. If you will write who was instant and electric, that is Are you getting any subject? Are you getting any proper answer? Who means for a person, right? Who means for a person. So this is not a person. The effect, that means what you can give. What by what means what? By what you will get some about some object, about some other thing. But by who you will get one subject, one name and a person, right? One or more than one, right? So there is not a person here. So you can understand that who is not suitable for it. So what was instant and electric, right? So by this type of this you will do this. And to the next page also there are so many. Number 4, Peter sprang a couple of years in the air. So now it is depending on you. You will make it by who or what. Then he uttered a word, hoop. Next he set up round and round the room. In the process he banged against furniture. He upset flower pots and created general havoc. So only this part is homework for you to make the question. Okay, so from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are your homework. So please solve it in your copy and send me the answers. If you can send in WhatsApp, then it's okay. If you can send in YouTube channel, YouTube comment box, it is okay. Or if you want to send the answers in WhatsApp by taking an image, that is also okay. So thank you so much, but it is a request to you, please do this homework and send me. Till then, wait for the next video. I will come back some more practice work from here. So have a nice day. Bye bye.